So here is a marketing site on an iPhone. Now again, look at these screenshots here of the video on an iPhone. Now again, you may want to make your thumbnail horizontal 16 by 19, 16 by 9, which is 1280 by 720 high, if in fact you don't want to basically have it looking like this. But here's what I want to share with you. When somebody clicks on this, it's going to take them to the page where the video is located. At this point, they could simply play the video, and above, you don't need to see my silly face, but there's, on a smartphone, here's my banneret above the video, and there's a banneret below the video with your tracking code. Now, here's another technique. If they want to watch us in full-size iPhone, they can simply click right here, and that will take up the entire size of the video. Again, I just wanted to share with you what this looks like on a smartphone. But isn't this pretty cool? So above and below, here's all the information about your video, okay? And you can have hyperlinks in here, et cetera, et cetera. And then here is the information, the shorts video, but then here is an Amazon ad and an Amazon here above. So if I click right here, it's going to take me right to my Amazon smartphone account to buy that product with your tracking code. So that is working smart, one step at a time. So let's move on to our next video.